Hey guys! So, this morning I went on a little quick walk, dog walk, with Dottie, and we walked down to the school to drop Alana off, and then we just came back. It is freezing. I think it is either 1 degree or -1, I can't remember. But yeah. Okay, I have no clue what we're going to do today, because tomorrow, as of tomorrow, we're officially in some kind of lockdown thingy-mabob where no one has any clue what the government are talking about anymore, because they made it so confusing because schools are still open, which theoretically they shouldn't be, but I don't know. But yeah. What's wrong? Oi! It's just a sparkler, Dottie. Hi guys, we are currently watching with Dottie some kind of kids film outside. We have a candle and the film, I'm not sure what it is, Alana chose it. And this is Dottie. And we're outside. You can't see it, but it is very cold. We're under loads of blankets and we're chilling out here, and we might eat dinner out here, not sure. It is November, so yeah. And it would have been Bonfire tomorrow. Oh, that's so sad. We would have had our famous bonfire tomorrow. It's not ours, but we helped build it. I can't say which one, but yeah. Hey Dottie? No? Dottie? So we normally have it the Saturday closest to the 5th, and so that would have been this Saturday. So we're gonna be outside, and we might light a fire tomorrow. I'm not sure. We did sparklers the other day. You've seen those clips. We did them on actual bonfire night, which was Thursday. Oh my gosh, it was only yesterday that we did them.
Oscar.
This week is going so slow because I'm back in isolation, and I'm not sure what to do. So any video ideas or things to do in isolation ideas, because I'm stuck at home. These guys are still going to school, but I don't have school or college, so I was looking for a job, but I can't start a job yet anyway. So yeah. Okay, my mum actually was able to put these lights on, so we got these cute lights around the gazebo now. And Dottie is snuggled in a blanket now. She's so cute. Dottie! She's such a good dog. Doop-a-doop-a-doop. Dottie! She doesn't care. She's gonna fall asleep.
Oscar. Oh wow! They're like dynamite!
That's cute.
Wow! I can't see properly. I need to stand on a chair. Ah, there's a chair. Oh, it's all puffed out. Oh, wait, it hasn't puffed out.
Wait, Alana, don't get up.
Adorable. That's amazing. How did they make it do that? Whoa! Firework! Look at all of it. Wow! But why is it going to red? Does that mean it's glitching? Look at all the smoke. Wow! That's huge!